Hey everyone, I am Takir and I work as a DevOps SRE engineer at NCRTU, right? So GitHub has introduced him as the tagged PRs. PR means a pull request. Obviously, I have been trying to demonstrate it, right? So they straight away release that feature. That is very awesome. So in a nutshell, we love to learn what exactly it is, how we are implementing, right? What you can do is have a look at this diagram. Let us suppose this is your main branch. I have written it so far, and we have couple of branches around which have their own respective features, code, whatever you want to merge into the main. Right now, there are a chances that everyone through the main branch create their own branches, and it becomes a nightmare for the maintainers to check out their lines of code from make it correct and make it merge. Right? GitHub has introduced step stacked PR. Okay, let us suppose you have a main branch, obviously the production branch, whatever you could depends upon your work. Now we go ahead, create a new branch from the main feature peer 2, right? From the feature peer 2, we are creating the another one feature peer 3. From the 3, we are creating the peer 4. Obviously, we are creating a chain which we stack right now, right? Now, whenever there's a pull request, I'm working on feature peer 4. I have done my work. I might go ahead and forward to make it get into the production, right? What I'll do directly make it merge or get settled into the feature tier 3. That would be my option. The three person, the third, the person who would working on the third one would be getting into the second. From the second, since they have been collaborating, since they have been a lot of function, most of the code could be common. They would be collaborating. They could be getting a stack, which GitHub would be doing that for you, and that would be get into the main directly. We'll have overview. We'll look for what we can do. So that's the official documentation of GitHub Stack PR, right? And they have also open posted GitHub Stack ST, where you could be directly using it from the GitHub Copilot CLI. I mean, it could be run from the GitHub CLI as well. If you run through the agentic AI GitHub Copilot CLI can also work. So that's more stuff. So, so I have bunch of code ready here, right? Well, it is Alicia Stack PR, right? So that's has been working out for me, right? I'll be just going ahead. I'll be uh, go ahead and hit branch. So it's showing like, hey, all of my branches, code branches is mentioned here, right? I'd be looking forward. I'm looking forward to create one feature, right? So first, I'll be going ahead and creating a branch. Hit checkout. I could name it as PS6. That would be convenient for you to learn it. 6. I'm making a little bit of changes for this tutorial so that you can learn what exactly what we are doing. All set. I'm looking forward to get it right. Obviously, I want to around all cool. Also for added my. That's all. That's all. Right. And my instances, my mindset would be like, hey, most of the code is here same. GitHub is looking forward like, hey, Takir, go ahead. If you just create a PR, we look forward to make it stacked because most of the code is here. Have 90% of the code from the PR5. From the PR5, 90% of the code would be from the PR4, and that's how the change begins. Looking forward. origin PR, just getting it pushed. All set. Let us suppose one of my colleagues get in and hey, I have cloned this project. I'm looking forward to build on this one. What are you doing? From the PR6, not from the main. That is the catch here. From the PR6, that person, he or she would be going ahead and creating PS7, making some changes. Let us suppose he or she did the same changes and just changing out the numbers around, right? Uh, just go ahead and PS7. That's all. All said, all done. What if, what if, uh, PR7, that person has also pushed it though, right? It is also now telling me hey, Tokit, go ahead and create the PR. So I'll be calling out my GitHub CLI. Hey GitHub CLI. Uh, so, hey GitHub CLI. Create PR. My base would be simply the one where my content from the 7 would be loaded in PS6, and head would be from where my content will be coming on. That would be PS7, and we could give it a title as merging PR7 to 6. Let's see what it creates. All set. Uh, GitHub. Actually, I was committing mistake. Not the equivalent here. Let's see. Creating a pull refresh. I'll be not giving any body here. The body will hey, go ahead and submit it. Cool beans. I'll be now directly going over my GitHub Stack PR, right? Ta-da! It has been now created. It is saying 7 would be merged into 6. I'll be going ahead and create it. Wins. That's all how the GitHub Stack PR is working on, and it is asking hey, from 7 it would go to 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 4, and go to a certain mean. Your mindset should be how you are creating a stack PRing system. Yeah, go ahead and try it out. You need to get multiple branches, have a hands-on, and that's all. Thank you all.